Hi kids, how are you today? Hope you are fine because today I'm going to tell you a story. Are you ready? Okay, so the title of this story is all about the monkey and the crocodile. Once upon a time, in the middle of the forest, there was a river. In that river, there lived an old crocodile. He was not able to hunt anymore because he was weak. One day, he was hungry. Oh, it is very difficult to hunt on land now. Then, he sat under a tree. A monkey saw the crocodile and asked, "Why are you so sad, crocodile? Take some apples. They are very tasty." "Thank you, dear monkey. Can you please give me these apples every day?" "Okay, crocodile." And the monkey gave the crocodile some apples, and the crocodile ate the apples every day. One day, he thought to eat the monkey's heart. So, he thought an idea. He told the monkey that, "My friend wants to meet you." The monkey was very happy and said, "Yes, I will be very happy to meet him." He sat on the crocodile's back, but when they were in the center of the river, he told the monkey that, "I want to eat your heart, and now I will eat your heart." The monkey thought of a plan. He said to crocodile, "Oh, crocodile, I'm so sorry, but I forgot my heart on the tree." And the crocodile said, "Go and get your heart and give it to me." So, as soon as the monkey reached the tree, the monkey said that, "What a foolish crocodile you are! How you can take the heart from the body? And I gave you so sweet apples every day. You are my friend, but now I will never give you those apples. You are not my friend anymore." Okay, so the crocodile was very angry and realized his mistake. Now kids, how can you tell, or anyone can tell, about the moral of this story? Can anyone tell me? And how did you like the story? Well, the moral of this story is one should think thoroughly before taking any action. Thank you.